Are you a new mom who happens to be a Muslim and a hijabi and you're feeling stressed out about nursing your child in public? Trust me, I know exactly how you feel. When I had my first child, I was so worried about finding a way to nurse him in public in a way that I can hold on to my modesty. But with a little bit of planning and preparation, I was able to navigate and overcome those challenges of nursing in public as a Muslim hijabi mother. So let me share with you the tips and tricks that helped me. And hopefully they will help you. I want to encourage you and remind you that you've got this. And together we can find a way to make our nursing in public experience as smooth and as comfortable as it can be so that you and your little one can feel great. But before we start, I really want to share with you my free ebook, How to Celebrate Your Natural Beauty as a Muslim hijabi woman. I really love this book. It's a short read, but it's so impactful. I share with you the ways that you can style your hijab, accessorize it, so you can feel confident and comfortable in your own skin without relying on makeup. I also share with you the importance of self-love and self-acceptance, how you can cultivate self-confidence as a hijabi woman who doesn't wear makeup. And also I share with you my personal stories of how I overcame my negative body image after I started wearing the hijab, and also how giving up makeup actually made me who I am today, the most confident I've ever been. So if you are a Muslim hijabi woman or a veiling woman and you really want to give up makeup and realize that you don't need it, how if you want to truly celebrate your natural beauty and enhance it from within, this book is definitely for you, and it's absolutely free. It comes in 2 different formats, a PDF and an audiobook, so you can consume the information whatever way you wish. I'm going to leave the link in the description. It's absolutely free. Go check it out, download it right now. It's a quick read, it's a quick listen, but it will definitely help you step away from makeup and learn to celebrate what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given you. Okay, let's get started with the video.
Salam, I'm Veronika Edali. I'm a revert to Islam, a founder of a modest activewear brand, a content creator, a wife, and a mom. I share my life and business journey as a Muslim woman living in New Zealand. My mission is simple: help Muslim women to embrace modesty and hijab while following their true passion. I create content to boost self-confidence, mindset, and lift your spirit so you can successfully balance faith, career, and motherhood. Subscribe for inspiration, motivation, and lots of laughter, all from a Muslim woman's perspective.
Tip number 1: invest in nursing-friendly clothing, or just find nursing-friendly clothing in your wardrobe and stick to them wherever you go out. When it comes to nursing in public, wearing the right clothing that provides you easy access is the absolute key, is what completely transforms your experience. So look for clothes that offer you discreet options of gaining access to your chest area. Button-down shirts are great. Nursing tops that have zippers are great. I'll actually give you an example of each of those clothes. These clothes will make it way easier for you to nurse your child without revealing too much skin or any skin at all, if you follow the second tip as well. But let me give you examples of my favorite nursing-friendly clothes. What I'm wearing is a button-down. This is a maxi shirt that goes almost all the way down to my ankles, but imagine if it wasn't a button-down. Then every time I needed to nurse, I'd have to lift the whole thing up. That's just very uncomfortable and very impractical. But with a button down, you can just unbutton a couple of buttons and they have perfect access. This is another maxi dress that I own. Here we go. A button down. You can easily gain access there. It's a maxi shirt dress, but it has the button up option up the front. This is nursing friendly. This jumper is not nursing friendly. It has a very high neck. So and this is a longer jumper as well. So in order for you to gain access, you have to lift the whole thing up, which is once again impractical and uncomfortable. Here's this hoodie. But it looks like, is it nursing friendly or not? But it has the chest zipper. So if you unzip this, there you have it. Easy access. I purchased these hoodies from a New Zealand brand called Candon and Shay. I'm going to link the hoodies. If I find the exact links, I'll link them in the description. I've been living in these, especially in the winter when I layer up with like really loose joggers and loose hoodies. This is what I wear, but I want to be super casual. And I like that their hoodies are also a bit longer as well. They provide pretty good coverage. Yeah. Zippers. Lovely. And I have a lighter version of the hoodie. It's like a workout hoodie. If you're going like on a hike or you're outdoors, this is very lightweight. It's made from activewear material. Once again, zippers, one on each side. Easy access, and they're really, really discreet. So you can't see them at all, and that's why I absolutely love these maternity activewear. These are all very good options. So I also own jumper dresses, turtleneck dresses that like have turtlenecks and go all the way down. Well, they're in the closet collecting dust while I'm still nursing because I'm not wearing. I might wear them to film a video, but trust me, I am not wearing them when I'm out and about, and I know I would need to nurse in public. It's okay, they can just collect dust for a little bit. Our nursing journey is very, very temporary. Our kids do grow up way too fast for my liking. So it's okay, they can stay in the closet, they're not going anywhere. You can wear them when you're done nursing. So when you're nursing, just stick to nursing-friendly clothing. And I want to share with you a little secret. I've been nursing for 4 years straight now, as I have 2 kids, back-to-back nursing. So yeah, I've been nursing for the longest time. But let me show you a little secret. It's so important for me to have nursing-friendly options. I even make sure that like most of my activewear that I create for my Modest Activewear brand is also nursing-friendly. Let me show you a couple of examples. This is a long line tunic, hiking tunic that I'll be releasing very soon, inshallah. But look at that chest zipper. Boom, easy access. Perfect for nursing mothers. The same comes to my swimwear. Yay! Very nursing friendly. Look at this. Look at this. Nursing friendly modest swimwear. When I developed my first bikini, I was designing it before I became a mother, before I was a nursing mother. And it was not nursing friendly at all. It had a zipper at the back. And when I had to feed my kid at the beach, that was an absolute nightmare. So when I was designing my second collection as a nursing mother, I'm like, it has to be nursing friendly, because if I'm in this position and I hate having modest swimwear that doesn't have the nursing access, let's make it easy for mothers. Let's make it easy for Muslim, modest, hijabi mothers. So yeah, here's a little secret. The majority of my activewear will be nursing friendly, inshallah. So your comfort is important. So don't even reach for uncomfortable and impractical options. There is no need for you to be stressed out for no good reason. Just wear nursing friendly clothing and thank yourself later. Tip number 2, nursing cover. Investing in a nursing cover or making sure you have some sort of a nursing cover or a shawl will provide you with that extra layer of privacy you need when nursing in public. Now, I'll be very honest, I've never owned a proper nursing cover, a cover that is marketed as a nursing cover. I've never owned one of those, but I've tried a lot of things that did the trick, and here's what I used. I've used a muslin blanket, I used a very loose knit poncho. It is kind of very flowy, kind of very breathable poncho. I liked it. My kid didn't like to use that. A little muslin blanket did the trick. When I was hiking, I used my husband's giant straw hat to cover myself. When my son was nursing, I just used that to provide that extra layer of privacy. It worked. I even used my own hijab. You can latch your kid and then just use the long tail of your hijab to cover up. That works as well. If you have a spare hijab, you can actually just, because the hijabs are very wide, you can latch your kid and just kind of wrap your spare hijab around it for extra layer of privacy. And my absolute favorite is the one that I use now all of the time, is this super lightweight, my mom folds them very neatly, this very lightweight cotton Turkish towel. I bought them in Turkey. I don't have a link, I'm very sorry, but this is something that is so versatile. It's something that I use all of the time. When you unravel it, sorry mom, I'm doing your good work there, but it's very, very thin, and I'll show you closer. See, it's very, very thin. It's very breathable. It's completely opaque, which I love. And this is what I do. This is what I did in Turkey all the time, because we were out traveling. We were in different cafes, on different excursions, on different places, sightseeing all the time. So that means I had to nurse my son on the go all of the time. So yeah, and this is what I did. I usually just do this. See, it's very big. I usually do this. Then I just cover everything. I get him underneath. I cover everything. Then I have one hand free to make sure he has a good latch. And then we relax. And we sit like this. And he's cool under there. It's very breathable. And you can't see anything. I've nursed him like this in cafes, in all the other places. We were in Turkey during the peak season. A lot of people everywhere. But you can't see anything. So I do this, my kid underneath, he's happy, he's getting his milk. So good. I also use this towel as a nursing cover. I use this towel to dry off at the beach. I use this towel as a prayer mat when I'm out hiking. I just put it down. I can pray in the most scenic locations, perfect size, perfect material, easy to clean, easy to use, doesn't take much space at all. I absolutely love it. If you can get your hands on something similar, get it. You only need one and you can use it for so many things. But these were all the options that I came up with that worked for me. You can also think about different ways that you can cover yourself while nursing in public. It's honestly doesn't have to be so nerve-wracking. It doesn't have to be this hard. It doesn't have to be stressful. It all comes down to wearing the right clothes, having the right gear, and the tip number 3. Always have a plan for how and where you're going to nurse. That's it. Having a solid plan will just make the other 2 tips work like magic. The most important thing that you will mentally feel prepared, and that'll make you feel more confident. So if you're going out to the mall, check if there is a nursing room at that mall. Then if you are out in the mall and you need to nurse halfway through your shopping experience, you can go to the nursing room and do so there. So then you probably don't need a nursing cover if you can do it privately in a nursing room. You can also nurse in your car. When you know that you might want to nurse in your car, you might want to think about, where could I park my car so I can have that extra privacy and I can nurse my kid privately. If you're out in the park, think about, maybe I should find a nice and quiet spot away from other people where I can nurse my kid if we're out in the park. If you know you're going to be surrounded by people, if you're going out to a cafe and you know that cafe doesn't have a nursing room, then make sure you have your nursing cover with you and you have your nursing friendly clothes and you can just do it right there and then. So the key is always thinking ahead and being prepared. The more you plan ahead, the more confident and comfortable you will feel as a nursing mother who needs to nurse in public. I really hope these tips were very helpful for you. Remember that breastfeeding is one of the most important things that you can give to your child, and you should never feel ashamed or embarrassed by it. You are strong and beautiful and very capable mothers. Remember to be very kind to yourself and never forget to reach out for help when you need it. Remember that you're not alone on this journey. We're all in it, we're all walking the walk, and we can always share some tips with each other and give guidance and advice. Inshallah, if you follow these tips, you will be able to nurse your child confidently and comfortably anytime and anywhere. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you and your child. Ameen. If you found value in this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, comment below, let me know. If you have any other nursing tips for Muslim hijabi mothers, make sure you leave them in the comment section as well. Let's support and uplift and encourage each other. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, but you enjoy my content, subscribe to make sure you never miss a video. You can do it right now. I'll wait. Anyways, thank you so much for coming here, opening YouTube and spending time with me. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to download the free ebook. I promise you, you will love it. I really appreciate your time. I appreciate you. So yeah, that's it from me. Have a wonderful day, morning, night, wherever you are. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.